Congratulations on your new PDS system. We will now install the Caliper software for your X1 or X2 data logger. Take the USB drive provided with your logger and insert it into the computer. Double-click on the Caliper file to start the install wizard. The install wizard will now start. Select Next. Verify the directory where the program will be installed and select Next again. Now click Install. Once the install has completed, select Finish. Now the license agreement will appear. You will need to select Accept to move forward with the use of the Caliper software. When Caliper opens up to the main screen, it has successfully been installed. Go ahead and minimize the program so that we can install the configuration file for your PDS logger. Select the appropriate folder for your PDS logger and select Copy. Navigate to your Documents folder. Open the Caliper folder. Right-click and paste the copied configuration folder. Let's verify that the configuration file has been copied properly. Close the File Explorer window. Open back up the Caliper software. Go up to File and select Open Configuration. You should see your PDS logger in the configuration folder and file respectively. Press OK. Caliper is now configured and ready to download data.